I have gotten by around the world in Yiddish. I have shopped in Rio de Janeiro. I have shopped in Argentina. I have shopped in Paris. Yiddish has been a lingua franca for me everywhere. Looking for directions, I found the kosher restaurant in Kowloon speaking Yiddish by tracking somebody down with a kippah. I found it's been a door opener in many, many ways, primarily with people my age. I think for my kids it would be Hebrew because that's where the next generation has gone. But I have met very interesting people. We were, for example, on a cruise, and there were a whole family from Costa Rica. And they all spoke Spanish. I do not speak Spanish, whoops. And I went into the ladies' room, and there are all these women speaking Yiddish.